Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is not Nathan. In this video, I'm going to explain about nested loop in Python. So basically, what is this nested loop is? Nested loop is nothing but a loop inside another loop. Okay, it's not a nested loop. We can say that there will be an outer loop. Inside the outer loop, there will be another inner loop. Okay, it's nothing but a nested loop. Let me write the syntax of this. Okay, so the syntax is so there will be outer loop. So inside the outer loop, there will be inner loop. Okay, so this is the nested loop syntax. Okay, outer loop, inside there will be an inner loop. Okay, inside bound that, like we have to write the statements like whatever we need. Let me give an example of nested loop so that you guys can clearly understand. Okay, basically how it works and all. Okay, let me take an example for I in range. So I in range 5. So let me consider this is an outer loop. Okay, this is an outer loop. Now I should write an inner loop. So inner loop for j in range 5. For j in range 5. Okay, now I need to print. Sorry, print. I need to print star. Okay, and yeah, I need to print star. End is equal to space. I'll provide space for this. Basically, what I'm writing, coding is I need like 5 rows and 5 columns. For that, I'm writing a code here. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So you guys can see here, there are like 5 rows and 5 columns. So I forgot to mention one more thing. Like basically, when this nested loop will be using this for 2 dimension or for 3 dimension, at that particular time, like we'll be using this nested loop for writing any rows and columns. So like we need rows and columns, right? At that particular time, we'll be writing like we'll be using this nested loop. Yeah. So you guys can see here like how the nested loop are like used and how it working. Okay. Yeah. I hope you guys have understood about the nested loop. If you have any doubts, comment below. I will be answering that. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.